Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's we'll try to do the 4G plus a speed test and the download speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now: Mi11X, IQ7 device and Realme X7 Max device as well. So let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster and which phone will be able to have the much higher speed test. The one unique thing about this video is that I'm trying to use the three Jio SIM cards in three phones at same time. I'm gonna test the speed test, I'm gonna test the carrier aggregation, I will be testing the download speeds as well. So this is a 3-in-1 video friends, which will be benefit for a lot of other users who are actually thinking of buying one of the device, but they're really confused. So which phone has got the better kind of connectivity? So in this test, we'll get to know which phone has got the what kind of connectivity, how much speeds we can expect, what are the things. And I'm trying to show you all phones. I'm trying to use the same Jio SIM only at this point. And right now, for some reasons, the Mi11X device doesn't show any kind of information on the few applications, NetMonster on RX Monitor. But when you try to look at the notification panel, you can definitely see the 4G place. So in the other two smartphones, IQ7 and the Realme X7 Max device, you can directly see in the RX Monitor application 2CA, 2CA. As you can see, carrier aggregation is supported right now. So in this location, I'm getting the 4G plus signal in all the three smartphones. So these three smartphones right now are having the 4G plus, Jio 4G plus, as you can see friends clearly. So this will be the really interesting test. Let me try to do the test at same time in all the three smartphones. As you can see friends, I did the test at same time. So now we'll be able to decide which phone has got how much kind of speed and what kind of speeds difference. As you can see clearly friends, the Mi11X is trying to be in the lead little bit, but second position Realme X7 Max and third IQ7 device. As you can see, slightly more in the Mi11X device, little bit but not much. So in all the four smartphones, in all the three smartphones, sorry, you'll be getting the 4G plus aggregation. That's 100% perfect. So all the three smartphones you're getting 4G plus. That should not be a problem. As you can see friends, this is the first time I'm trying to do the test at same time the results. So these are the results which we got in terms of the speed test results. So these are only speed test results friends which I'm trying to do. The download and the speed test are completely different. The speed test and the download results are completely different. So make sure to watch till end of the video. The results will be completely shocking and you will be definitely be amazed. So I'm trying to do the test at same time, but the Realme X7 Max did start the first, and next IQ7 did start, and third the Mi11X did start. As you can see the difference right now. So this time these two phones took a little bit kind of more time, but let's see the speeds. So which phone will be having the how much kind of speeds? So right now the Mi11X device slightly less, as you can see in terms of the speed test. But this is not completely friends. You cannot come into the conclusion now itself. So you should know which phone has got what kind of download speeds as well. That is a proper way to do, proper way to check as well. So just for to get to know which phone has got what kind of speeds in this location, that is the reason I'm trying to do multiple times testing in this particular location overall. So which will give you the clear idea friends, which phone has got what kind of speeds in there. So right now as you can see friends, still the Mi11X is kind of loading. As you can clearly see, sometimes it's taking too much of time. So much of time it took in the Mi11X device to load. But once it's get loaded, these are the results which we'll be getting here, as you can clearly see friends. So this time I'm trying to do the test one by one, not continuously in all the three smartphones. So these are the tests I'm trying to do one by one. 16.8 Mbps we got. So usually if it doesn't take that much of time, we used to get the speeds about 21 Mbps and 22 Mbps, something like that. So now as soon as the upload speed stops in the Mi11X device, I'll try to start in the IQ7 device. So then we'll be able to see friends. So sometimes if you try to do at same time in two phones, the results are different, and if you try to do the same testing one by one, the results are different. So that is the reason I'm trying to do right now. As you can see, the right now IQ7 did reach up to 14 Mbps as well. So as you can see friends clearly, this is an IQ7 smartphone. It went up to 21, 22 as you can see clearly. So this is the reason I said if you try to do one by one, then you'll be able to understand which phone has got what kind of potential in it. So 25 Mbps we got here. As you can see friends, 19.8 Mbps. You can see the ping value as well, how much difference it is. And now is the Realme X7 Max. Let's test what will happen in the Realme X7 Max. How much speeds we can get. And if I try to do the test again in the Mi11X device once more, so every time the phone takes this much of time to load, then the speeds are not that great. If it takes only less time to load, then the speeds will be really great. So that is what I did observe in this MI Linux device, friends. That is the reason sometimes, as you can see clearly. So even this phone can actually reach. So but the only practical way to test is by downloading. Only by downloading we'll be able to get to know which phone has got what kind of result. So I'll try to download the 50 MB file. So maybe 50 MB file I'll try to download from the Play Store, and then we'll be able to decide which phone can actually download that kind of file faster. So in that way we'll be able to decide, friends, which phone has got what kind of result in it. So right now in this test, one by one test, the IQ7 slightly winner. As you can see, 25 Mbps. So this is not all it. This is not complete final result. So make sure to watch the download results, friends. That is what really interesting and really epic it's going to be. So as I said, it will be definitely really challenging, and you can take the final decision which phone to buy based on the download results as well. And I'm trying to download this Hill Climb Racing. The game size is of 55 MB size, close to 55, 56 and 58 MB size in the... Let's see, friends, I'm trying to use the stopwatch ready, so it is a stopwatch also ready. So let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster. That is what I'll try to see. So I'm trying to click install at the same time, but I did miss in the IQ7 device. Let me try to do it again. The first phone is the MI Linux device, friends. The punch hole, which is of small size, that is the MI 11X smartphone. The punch hole with the big size, that is the IQ7. If you notice, the MI 11X and the Realme X1 Max slightly close to each other. The MI 11X, sometimes you are getting 4G plus, sometimes not getting. But when you get the 4G plus, the speeds will go really high in the MI 11X device. So you can see the clear difference in terms of the performance wise. So 39% and the 42% we already reached in the MI 11X device. And the IQ7 is still struggling, as you can see a little bit. 42% right now in the IQ7 device. So this is a test I'm trying to do at same time. All the phones at same time, and I'm getting the 4G plus as well in the IQ7 device, no issues. And right now we are able to complete speed test as well. I think we did finish around 51 seconds. The MI Linux got completely finished. 51 seconds it took. The MI Linux smartphone. Now these two phones are in the race. Realme X1 Max and the IQ7 phone did finish, as you can see, friends. I think around 1 minute and 2 seconds, something around that time. 1 minute and 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And even the Realme X1 Max also finished. The Realme X1 Max did take a little bit kind of more time, because I think 4G plus signal I did not get in that phone, I think so. That is the reason. So these are the quick comparison, friends. Let me try to write down the readings. So I'll be writing down the readings, everything I have written, as you can see, friends, clearly. So these are the timings. So again, I'll be doing the test this time one by one. Yes. So individual test I'll try to uninstall the same game, and I'll try to do the test one by one. Let's see what will happen if you try to do the test. So first, in the MI Linux device, I'm trying to start the test, and as I said, if you try to do the one by one, the speeds will be really double and triple as well. Sometimes you can see the live proof which is happening in the MI Linux device. Same SIM card, right now I'm getting double speed, and the game is downloaded 50% in 16 seconds. As you can see, friends, it's downloading really faster. The speeds is increasing. It went up to 3.4 Mbps download, and the complete game downloaded in 25 seconds. 25 seconds of time it took right now in the MI Linux device to completely download and install, as you can see, friends, clearly. Let me try to write down the readings. So in this way you'll be get to know, friends, which phone has got what kind of potential in it. So then only you can decide whether to buy the phones or not. And next is IQ7 device. Let's see how much time the IQ7 phones takes to completely charge, so completely download the game. So you can see clearly the 4G plus I'm getting in this IQ7 device, no issues at all. 4G plus perfectly working in this phone. And right now 25 seconds, it's kind of off the time exactly before it took. And IQ7 is kind of finishing. Let's see how much time the phone will be taking. 82%, 89%. I think installing is done in 32 seconds. So it took about 32 seconds in the IQ7 device to completely install the game. As you can clearly see, 32 seconds. Completely download the game. 32 seconds for the 50 MB file. So now let's check the Realme X1 Max. In the Realme X1 Max, sometimes I'm not getting the 4G plus, sometimes I'm getting that. That is the reason in this location as well. Sometimes you do get, sometimes you don't get. But let me try to show you whether right now you're getting or not. I think now you're getting the 4G plus, so it should not be a problem in this phone, in the Realme Exxon Max device, as you can see friends clearly. So it's downloading and downloading. Let's see, will it be close to IQ7, less than the IQ7 or not. That is a really interesting test to see. So 30 seconds it's crossed as well, and installing and downloading. Yes, 35 seconds friends. Sorry, I did not click speed. So overall 35 seconds of time it took in the Realme Exxon Max. So 35 seconds, 32 seconds and 25 seconds. You can see the speeds between all the three smartphones, you can see friends. And the final winner is the MI11X device, first smartphone to achieve this kind of high speeds in less time. And next phones is the IQ7 and the Realme Exxon Max, kind of both are equal in terms of the speeds. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is the complete download and speed test comparison between these phones, and make sure to hit that subscribe and like this video.